today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open up a capture device on your VLC Media Player. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Media tab up at the top left, and then you want to go down to where it says Open Capture Device. Alternatively, you can also tap the Control and C key combinations on your keyboard. And then at this point, you would select what type of capture mode you're looking to incorporate or add to your VLC Media Player. You can change the video device name and audio device name, and adjusting video size and other options in here as well. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.